Now, when you own a sapphire, and you can own so many different range of sapphires, from inheritance of a beloved member of your family or acquiring a new one, you need to care for your sapphires the same way that you would care for any other precious gemstone. And despite their hardness, sapphire require some care to maintain their luster. You can use the exact same method that you can use to clean your diamonds, starting with putting them in an ultrasound bath. If your sapphire is mounted on platinum or gold, for example, there is no way you can damage either the mounting or your stone, because then all the dust and dirt will be removed by the vibration of the machine. Another very simple and cheap way to do so is to clean them regularly with mild soap and water, avoiding harsh chemicals, and then you need to store them separately to any other gemstones in order for them to avoid being scratched and damaged. And obviously, proper care ensures that your sapphire remains as dazzling as the day you acquired it. Now, like many colored stones and beliefs into virtues and properties, starting with the fact that sapphires are supposed to bring some mental clarity and focus, because these stones are believed to enhance focus and concentrations, helping to clear the mind of unwanted thoughts in order to improve decision-making abilities. Now, if you are emotionally balanced, sapphire is actually a good thing, because these gemstones are said to promote emotional stability and inner peace, reducing feelings of anxiety and depression. I can already see some of you, like Samantha in Sex and the City, being fully dressed by sushis. Instead of that, you would put sapphires all over your body in order to feel much better. Nothing to lose trying. The spiritual growth, and that goes along with any beliefs around power and energies and gemstones, that they're thought to enhance spiritual growth, wisdom, and enlightenment, helping individuals to connect with their higher selves. They're also considered to be a protective stone, warding off negative energy and psychic attack, providing a shield of spiritual protection. If you are a September baby, sapphire is your birthstone, making it a very popular choice for those born in this month. And the Zodiac association is that you can mix it really well with Virgo, Libra, and Sagittarius, because it's believed to bring particular benefits to individuals born under these signs. Sapphires is traditionally given as a gift for the 5th and 45th wedding anniversary, symbolizing enduring love and commitment. As explained earlier, even though blue is the most common and traditional color for this September gemstones, which is sapphire, it comes in a variety of colors, allowing for personalized choices based on preference, meaning, and choice. And even though they're not only valued for their beauty, but also for their supposed healing properties and virtues, sapphires hold a special significance for those born this month, but also reminiscing all of the ancient jewelry that has been passed from generation to generations.